Programu ejegendereye kuhandiika abantu bakuhika rushanju abo gavumenti ehereze kuya omu ihanga rya South Africa bwanyuma y'embeera esirwa abantu ba South Africa abarikuba binga omu ihanga ryabo oihire okubahereza endangamuntu abahona bariyo nibaheebwa emishomo y'okubahumuriza embeera embi barabiremu n'endiijo mishomo y'okwetungura.
We have over 700 plus and we are expecting more to come, and of which majority are not the because group. They've been in South Africa doing different businesses. And that's why you can see that majority are Uganda speakers. When we ask them, obadde okola ki? Badde musawo Muganda. Tobadde okola ki? Badde nkola mu nviiri, restaurant, such things. So generally we brought them to KYANKWANZI. This is the 6th day. To become ideologically aligned, to be patriotic enough, to love their country, to realize that East or West home is the best.
Helen Saku, Commissioner wa National Secretariat for Patriotism Corps, ayongere kutangaza habwenchi government etiro programu egi nekyeri kuza kuyamba abantu aba.
When you look at our participants here, majority are NUP supporters. But we've brought them to KYANKWANZI to ideologically align them and show them that the government is not their enemy, but it's an entity willing to work with them and make their lives better. That's why you see on our programs we have brought different speakers, like the PDM. How should they benefit from PDM as returnees? We have also brought a Myoga group. They've already talked to them. We have brought local government, the opportunities in the communities. How should they tap into the different government programs to make wealth, to make money?
Abahona nabaza kuhebwa emishomo erimu okukunda ihanga ryabo ningashijete patriotism yenkurakurana mu by'obushubuzi ebyobuhingi hamwe n'oburiisa kandi ege kigendererwa n'okwenda ngu abantu aba baza kuruga KYANKWANZI bashohore bino obukugu bw'okumara obw'okubaasa kubayamba kwebingaho bworo hamwe n'okutungura amaka gabo.
Statistically, out of the 683 communities who have returned, we have so far done 410, inclusive of adults above 18, both male and female, and children, because, you know, as NERA, we are supposed to register everyone from 0 years, and we are trying to encourage registration of babies, of children. So we took up that chance also to register the children who have come.
Tenti batandika otubbriefinga batuletera abantu abo kutubuulirira n'abasirikale bennyini bana babeerawo olaba nga bagezaako okubawa welcoming. Omusirikale omusuubira kuba mukambwe nesinalabako ku bukambwe bwabwe okitegeera ate ng'abantu abangi mubaamu ensobi ezikolebwa nitunalabawo kuba wadde oluyi tunalabawo kubayombesa.
Saku asimire President Yoweri Museveni habw'okutawa enteekateeka egi kuyamba abantu aba kurabira mu bitongole bya gavumenti bitari bimwe na bimwe kandi ahamize ku President Yoweri Museveni arikuza kuhikaho omukoro gw'okukingaho omushomo ogu ogurikuza kubaho 2017 by'okwa mushanju omwaka ogu. Habwa TV West, Ndyamusiimanta, Ensinganto.